This is a pre-stretched canvas, 14.6 centimeters is the diameter. So now the radius is obviously half of it, so 7.3, and I'm going to measure this compass for 7.3 centimeters now. Now this is 7.3 centimeter radius. So this is how I check. So I'll just rotate the compass around the canvas and mark the center. Now I can draw circles as per my need. So I'm drawing a line in the center. Now I'll mark angles 60 and 120 because I only want to have 6 grids in a circle. Now I'll connect the dots. If you look at this canvas now, the circles are drawn, the grids are created. This is ready for dotting. In this dot mandala, I'm going to use only 2 colors, that's brown and flesh tint. I'm going to start with brown color in the center. Now using this flesh tint color, I'll dot only on the line first. I have a lot of space in between dots, so I'm going to keep one straight swipe. Now using this tool, I'm going to keep brown color dots closer to this circle, and I'm dotting only on the lines now. Now I'm going to work the dots on both the sides for each dot here, and that too 3 layers. For the first layer, I'll be using this plain small tool. For the second layer of working the dots, the top dot I'm keeping using the medium plain tool. The third layer of working the dots will be in plain big tool, brown color. Now I'm going to use this nail art tool to work the dots for the first layer here. Now I'm using this tool to work the dots, the second layer here. Now for the third layer, I'm using brown color, this metal ball and the small ball side of it. Now I'm using the same metal tool, big ball side of it. I'm going to keep straight swipe. Now to correct these swipes, I'm using this nail art tool which has a tiny ball. Now using the same metal tool, the small ball side, I'm going to keep side swipes. Now I'll be using this purple tool and keep dots on the line first. So in between I had a lot of space, so I kept 1 dot in the middle and 2 dots in between them. So in between any 2 dots on the line, I can keep 5 more dots. The dot mandala is fully ready. I am sure you like this design. Thank you for watching.